Namaste, salam, sastriyakal, and wish you all a very, very, very happy Diwali. Hope this Diwali season brings lots of happiness, joy, and good health to everybody. मैंने और मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मिलके ये एक छोटा सा वीडियो बनाया है. यही एक हमारा दिवाली सेलिब्रेशन था and all my friends graciously, willingly agreed to do this for me. So I am very, very grateful and thankful for that. So here are some of our fun moments. This is the only celebration we had for Diwali. I hope आप सब भी थोड़ा बहुत enjoy कर सके इस difficult दिवाली season में. आई होप आप सब भी थोड़ा बहुत इंजॉय करें और आने वाला ये नया साल सबके लिए बहुत बहुत सुख शांति और गुड हेल्थ लेके आए. आई एम very grateful to my friends for agreeing to be actors in this video. Thank you very much, girls. Have a very, very happy, safe and lovely Diwali season. Share it with your friends. Make everybody stay. I hope आप सब बहुत 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 खुशियाँ मिले. Take care and I will see you guys soon. I love you all.